Good morning, students. Uh, Now your SEM 2 lectures will be going on, and I will take computer network subject. Here we will start first unit introduction. Yes. So first of all, before starting this lecture, I will explain you what is. So what do you mean by network? So network means if two or more computers they are linked with each other to share the resources, that is network. So with the help of network, one computer that is sending or able to send data to the another computer with the help of technology, with the help of network technology. Yes, so here we are using different kind of resources. With the help of resources and computer network technology, we are sending to data from one computer to another computer. Yes, so here what do you mean by uh, resources? So we have already learned that what is resources. So those things which are helpful for sending or receiving data in our computer, that is resource. Yes, so whether that resource is a hardware resource or software resource. Yes, so with the help of resources, a computer is able to send or receive data with computer network technology. Okay, so here a simple term is given to you, what is computer network. Yes, so a large number of a separate but interconnected computers. Yes, separate means one computer is separate with another computer, but with the help of computer network technology, one computer is able uh, to send data to another computer, means all the computers are interconnected with each other with network technology. Yes, they are connected by a single technology. We can say a single technology, that may be a WAN technology. Yes, wide area network technology. Yes, we will see this technology in a next slide. Yes, two computers are connected if they are able to exchange information. Yes, all the computers are connected with the with each other, but if one computer wants to send data to the another computer, yes, so that is possible with the network technology to send or exchange the information to each other. Yes, a collection of computers interconnected by single technology. Yes, so with the help of network, one computer is able to send data to another computer, and another computer is able to receive that data. So that is possible with the help of network technology. I am giving you a simple example of network technology. Yes, suppose I want to send one mail to all students, all MC SEM 2 students. Yes, so I have a mail ID to all MC students, and I am sending that mail using Gmail. Yes, so using Gmail I am sending the mail to all students. Means what? My computer is connected to all your computers. Yes, and I am sending a mail to each and every student. So that is possible with the help of computer network technology. Okay, here this figure shows how network plays role in our life. Yes, so here left hand side there are two clients, and right hand side that is a server, and between these two things, uh, network is an intermediator. Yes, so what happened? Suppose I want to search some information in Google. Yes, so Google is my server. So I am writing what is computer network. Yes, in a browser I am writing what is computer network. Yes, so here I am, this request is sent to the Google server. Yes, and in a Google server whenever I am sending the data, I am writing some things, means that is considered as a request, and that request is sent to the server. So that is possible with the help of network, and the server is responding to us via network. Yes, so whatever the response is giving by that server, yes, so that is our answer. So it is, it is possible with the help of network. Here client server model involves request and reply. So here how client server model is work. Yes, so here left hand side that is client machine, right hand side that is server machine, and between these two machines, network is an intermediator. So whatever the request is sent by client, so that is passed through network, and network is passing this request to the server machine, and server machine is responding to the client process or client machine. Yes, so whenever server is responding to the client machine, that is considered as a reply. Yes, so here see, in a client machine, a circle that indicates it is a client process. Same way in a server machine, that circle indicates a server process. Means here in a computer, a client background client process is working. Yes, so that process is shown with the help of circle. Yes, so here this is a simple client server model, how client is sending the data to the server and how server is responding to the client. So whenever a server is sending the data to the server, whenever the client is sending the data to the server, yes, so it is considered as a request, and whenever server is responding to the client, that is considered as reply. Yes, so this is a simple client to server model for request and replies. Okay, here next point is popular uses of internet for home users. Yes, so here how internet is useful for a person. So here first use is access to remote information. So in any corner of world we access the information through internet. ठीक है, अगर हम कहीं पे भी है, अगर हम दुबई में है तो भी हम हमारा मेल है वो चेक कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, इंडिया में है तो भी हम हमारा मेल चेक कर सकते हैं, सिर्फ इंटरनेट होना चाहिए. So with the help of internet, we can access remote information. Remote information means what? Whatever the informations are on a server, that information we can easily access. Second one is person to person communication. So here, with the help of internet, person to person communication is possible. Yes, we can also done WhatsApp calling. Yes, FaceTime calling. So that is person to person communication, and that is possible with the help of internet. Third point is interactive entertainment. So here interactive entertainment means what? Many online games are available. Yes, so here interaction is done in both sides. So that is interactive entertainment. Next one is electronic commerce, means e-commerce. So whatever the sites you are using for purchasing anything or selling anything, yes, so for using electronic commerce or using these e-commerce website, internet is helpful for accessing those sites. Yes, so here there are four uses of internet for user. Okay, so here one simple example of peer to peer system. Yes, person to person communication. So how person to person communication is done? So here one person is connected with another person. Yes, see this figure. So here one person is connected with this person is connected with this person, this one is connected with this person, this one is connected with this person. Yes, so here that is peer to peer system, means one is communicated with another person. Yes, or connected with another person. So here that is peer to peer system and there are no fixed clients and server. तो यहाँ पे कोई client है वो fixed नहीं है. One person is connected with this. After some time that person is connected with this person. Yes, so here there are no fixed clients and servers. तो यहाँ पे सर्वर भी फिक्स नहीं है. ठीक है, कभी गूगल सर्वर का यूज़ होता है, कभी कॉम सर्वर का यूज़ होता है. ठीक है, कभी याहू सर्वर का यूज़ होता है. यहाँ पे कोई सेंट्रल डेटाबेस नहीं है. ठीक है, सिंपल क्या कर रहे हैं हम, peer to peer communication is held. Okay, so here these are the applications, some forms of e-commerce. So business to client tag, you see. Yes, these are the simple short form, B2C, B2B, G2C, C2C, P2P. Yes, so first we will see B2C. B2C means what? Business to customer. Yes, so how business to customer e-commerce site is helpful. So here a simple example is given to us, that is ordering books online. Yes, so whenever we are ordering books online, so we are consumer, we are customer, and from so for example from a Pearson education, so that is a business. Yes, so that is business and we are customers. So that is a publisher, business publisher, so that is business to customer application. सेकंड वन इज बिजनेस टू बिजनेस, मतलब जो भी कम्युनिकेशन होता है वो बिजनेस का, एक बिजनेस का दूसरे बिजनेस के साथ होता है. सो दैट इज बिजनेस टू बिजनेस कम्युनिकेशन. सो हियर सिंपल एग्जांपल इज गिवन टू यू. कार मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ordering tires from supplier. Okay, so supplier is a business or businessman, and car manufacturer, he or she is also a businessman. Yes, so here a communication or business is done from one business party to another business party. So that is business to business communication through e-commerce site. Next one is government to client or government to customer or consumer. So government distributing tax forms electronically. Yes, so here tax forms are easy, we can easily access a tax form from server, from Google server. Yes, so a government is distributing tax forms. Yes, so that is business to customer. Yes, another example is government to customer. Another example is government to customer is whatever the online form we are filling from the government side. So that is government to customer interaction. Yes, using e-commerce site. So here in a e-commerce site means what? So here we are accessing a government site. Yes, so that is government to consumer. Next one is consumer to consumer. Yes, so auction second hand products means one customer is on another hand and another customer is on another hand. So those customers are meet on e-commerce site and they are selling and buying things. Suppose I want to sell a car. So on OLX I am uploading my pictures of car. So I want to sell my product. And on another hand, one person that want to purchase my car. Yes, so that is consumer to consumer interaction. So that is C2C interaction. Next one is peer to peer interaction. So that is a best example is music sharing. Yes, I want to share music to my friend. So that is peer to peer communication. Yes, so here these are the simple applications how e-commerce is a helpful for interaction between business to customer, business to business, government to customer, C2C and P2P communication. Okay, so here next one is mobile users. So what is mobile users? So how mobile users are useful? So here there are three columns are given to us. So here these are the combinations of wireless networks and mobile computing. Yes, wireless network means what? Here a network doesn't need any wire, so that is wireless network and mobile computing. So here there are three columns we have. One is wireless, second one is mobile, and third one is typical applications. So here first one is desktop computer in offices. यस सर, जब भी हमारे ऑफिस में जो डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर है तो वो वायरलेस नहीं है, वो मोबाइल मतलब वो मोबाइल कंप्यूटर भी नहीं है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज नोटबुक कंप्यूटर यूज्ड इन होटल रूम. तो जो नोटबुक कंप्यूटर मतलब जब होटल में जाते हैं तो जो बंदा है वो नोटबुक कंप्यूटर लेके आता है, ठीक है, टैबलेट, तो ऑर्डर लेने के लिए. यस, सो दैट इज वायरलेस. तो yes, maybe it not maybe a wireless, yes, but it is mobile computer. So यहाँ पे इसीलिए ये लिखा है. yes, networks in unwired building, ठीक है, जो अनवायर्ड मतलब जो वायर्ड जहाँ पे नहीं है, तो यस ऐसे ही वायरलेस बिल्डिंग मतलब जो लैन का कंसेप्ट, सॉरी, नेटवर्क इन वायर्ड अनवायर्ड बिल्डिंग्स, ठीक है. तो ऐसा वायरलेस लैन कंसेप्ट का भी यूज़ होता है, तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे यस लिखा है. वहाँ पे हम मोबाइल कंसेप्ट का यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं, मोबाइल कंप्यूटिंग का, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे इसीलिए नो लिखा है. नेक्स्ट वन इज स्टोर इन्वेंटरी विथ हैंडहेल्ड कंप्यूटर. यस, सो यहाँ पे जो स्टोर इन्वेंटरी है वो वायरलेस भी मतलब जो स्टॉक जो मेंटेन्ड होता है, ठीक है, तो वायरलेस कंप्यूटर से भी होता है, मतलब लैपटॉप से भी होता है और मोबाइल से भी होता है, तो दोनों तरह से हम यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. Okay, next point is network hardware. Yes, so what is network hardware? So यहाँ पे network hardware में यहाँ पे तीन पॉइंट्स है वो कवर किए हैं. ब्रॉडकास्ट लिंक, पॉइंट टू पॉइंट लिंक एंड पॉइंट टू मल्टी पॉइंट लिंक. yes, broadcast link means what? There is one person. Yes, so here a sender is a one person and receiver are many, so that is broadcast link. Yes, simple example is a television. Yes, next one is point to point link. So point to point means what? One to one communication. Point to multi point means there is one sender, multiple receiver. Yes, so here simple how link type, what is link. So here this is cable. Here through one cable many stations are connected. yes, so this is a cable. जैसे कि हम टीवी चैनल की बात करते हैं तो केबल्स होते हैं, तो जो पूरे जो एरिया है, ठीक है, तो उस पूरे एरिया के केबल है, ठीक है, वो कनेक्टेड होते हैं और उसके थ्रू हम जो चैनल्स है वो प्रोवाइड होती है, ठीक है. तो कुछ इस तरह से कुछ केबल्स होंगे, ठीक है. यहाँ पे पॉइंट टू पॉइंट मतलब वन स्टेशन इज कनेक्टेड विथ अनदर स्टेशन, दैट इज पॉइंट टू पॉइंट लिंक. नेक्स्ट वन इज मल्टी पॉइंट मीन्स देर इज वन मेन बेस स्टेशन एंड देर थ्रू दिस बेस स्टेशन this base station is connected with many substations. yes, so that is multi point link. yes, okay, तो हम यहाँ तक रखते हैं, ठीक है. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.